At EBIW Info Analytics, we share a passion for solving business problems using data and analytics, with over 25 years of experience in product development, consulting, and business. We are committed to developing the technology used in every home and business, all around the globe. With the rising demand for water, we, at EBIW IoT, have addressed the scarcity of water and developed a smart water pump module for irrigation that is robust, maintenance-free, low-cost, and can be used with conventional pump. This module can be controlled remotely with an app. The Smart Pump module has an auto on and off feature, Smart Pump app, is Wi-Fi enabled, has remote access and control, connects voice assistants, has both three-phase and single-phase connectivity, has schedule control based on crop, land, weather, and has a pump monitoring system. Here is a demo of the Smart Water Pump module controlled by Google Home.
Switch on water pump.
Yeah, sure, deep, turning it on.
Switch off water pump.
Turning off the water pump.
And, now a demo of the Smart Water Pump module controlled by the app. The Smart Water Pump module inputs the crop type, farmland size, location, and confirms the irrigation schedule. It saves 20% to 30% of irrigation water, 30% energy savings, reduce weather-related risks, and efficiently uses the farmland. The Smart Pump module can be easily controlled by the app. First register on the app, then once the registration is done, log in. Now go to the land option, and tap on the plus button to add the land details. Now tap on the crop option to add the crop details. After that go to pump option and add the pump details. Now we are ready to add irrigation schedule. We can add multiple data for each options. Once all the details are filled, the app can regulate according to the user instructions. This smart water pump module can be customized for both the farmers and firms. We are constantly upgrading the system for more efficiency and ease of use. Using the latest approaches for reporting, Internet of Things, statistical analysis, forecasting solutions and predictive analytics, we deliver solutions that provide better insight into businesses. By fostering innovation in everything we do, EBIW will lead us to brighter tomorrow.